dictation. You need your notebook. Get your notebook. And in your notebook, write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go get your notebook. It's not a notebook, but my notebook. Number 1, how many sounds? How many sounds? Look. 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. Which one is the vowel? Show me the vowel. This one is the vowel. For everything color pink, that is our vowel. So number 1, 1, 2, 3. Number 1 has 3 sounds. These are for sounds. Okay? Number 1, listen. Rush. Rush. Rush means hurry, hurry, go fast, 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 fast. Rush. 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 Repeat it. Rush. Rush. Can you write the letters for the sounds? Rush. Number 2, how many sounds? Number 2 has 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you write it on your notebook? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds. Right now, sounds. Okay, listen. Number 2 is brush. Brush. Brush your hair. Brush. 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 Can you write the letters? Right. Brush. Number 3, how many sounds? 4 sounds. So please write in your notebook 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds. Number 3 is crash. 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 Repeat crash. 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 Number 4. Number 4, how many sounds? Number 4 has only 3 sounds. Only 3. In your notebook, number 4 has only 3 sounds. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Write it. Number 4, cash. Cash, money. Cash. Cash. Okay, number 5. How many sounds? Number 5 has 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please write. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen. Green, green, green color. Green, green, green. If you're not finished, go back. If you're finished, check your answers. Here are the answers.